In this video, we're going to be learning how to remove the cap sheet on your optical defense film. I already have the roll on my graph tag. Film's chilling right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And what I like to do is I like to let my film roll into my basket. And then in the back, I'm going to start to wind it up. I'm going to roll it up onto itself. So I'm going to keep it nice and tight. I'm going about 1/2 inch to 1 inch right here. And I'm going to roll this film. And as I pull away, film drops into the basket. My basket's really clean. And I'm just going to continue to roll this. So I roll, film goes down there. Now, you can do this and cut off only what you need. Me personally, I know I'm going to go through this roll probably within 3 days, so I'm going to undo the whole roll and then store my roll over here on my little storage rack. This may take you about a minute. Is it almost done? Oh shit, it's starting to get out of control. Boom. Alright, so we have successfully removed the cap sheet. It's nicely tight. I'm going to set this aside over here. We'll toss that in the dumpster later. But you may be looking at this and you're like, man, what am I supposed to do now, Eman? Well, now we're just going to roll it back onto itself. We're going to roll it back. If you notice that it starts to move on you a little bit, so right here it's doing kind of like it's shifting this way, you could always grab it, push it in a little bit, make sure that this film looks nice and straight. And this is normal, it's gonna move on you a little bit. Then I just do some readjusting, then I keep going. The more you spin it, the tighter it gets. This is gonna be a freshly wound roll. Get to the end. If you notice that it tunneled a lot, you're gonna push it in, you're gonna adjust it, give it a couple more spins, and then we'll actually pick it up and we'll give it a little love tap on the ground. And then check this out right here. So like this is now nice and straight. Nice and straight. Put a piece of tape right here, put it on my rack over there, and I've successfully taken off the cap sheet. So this is ready to use.